What was your don't tell your mother about this moment? This past Christmas, my 4-year-old daughter helped my wife wrap one of my gifts while I was working late. She was so excited to be part of the surprise and took her job very seriously. The next morning, as soon as she woke up, she came running out of her bedroom, practically bursting with excitement. Daddy, I helped wrap your gift. It's a surprise. It's a slushie maker. I couldn't help but laugh. Honey, that's awesome, but you're not supposed to tell me. I know, she said, nodding like she understood. But then, grinning from ear to ear, she blurted out, but it's a slushie maker. I smiled. If you know not to tell me, then why did you? Throwing her arms up, she said, because I'm just so excited to make slushies with you. At that point, I was crying with laughter. I told her it was an amazing gift, but reminded her that presents should be a surprise. I promised we wouldn't tell mommy, so she wouldn't be disappointed. But of course, I caved and told her that evening because it was just too adorable to keep to myself.